Have you ever wondered how much of the information you consume from YouTube videos for UPSC Civil Services exam preparation is accurate? Or have you ever felt overwhelmed by the sheer volume of content available? Then you are not alone. An IAS officer recently advised aspirants to stay away from misleading YouTube videos. Why? Because not all the information out there is accurate, nor is it necessary to absorb every piece of information available. The officer's advice, "Itna bhi padna nahi hota," which translates to "one does not need to study this much." This perspective comes from a place of experience and understanding, having walked the path that many UPSC aspirants tread today. The officer's advice brings us to the heart of the matter, the importance of discernment in the face of information overload. In an era where knowledge is at our fingertips, it is easy to be swayed by the abundance of content. However, it is important to remember that the civil services examination is not about memorizing the most facts, but about understanding concepts and their application. The officer further elaborates that one's focus should be on quality over quantity. A deep understanding of a subject trumps superficial knowledge of 100 topics. This suggests a strategic approach to studying, focusing on reliable sources, revising regularly, and practicing answer writing. This advice also highlights the significance of choosing the right resources. Not all YouTube channels or websites offer accurate or necessary information. It is essential to rely on credible sources like insert books, standard reference books, and reputable coaching institutes' materials. In a nutshell, the IAS officer's advice to UPSC aspirants is to be selective about the sources of information and to focus on understanding rather than rote learning. This approach will not only make the preparation process more manageable but also more effective. To recap, the officer's advice is a reminder of the importance of discernment in the age of information overload. It emphasizes the need for a strategic approach to studying, focusing on quality over quantity. It also underscores the importance of relying on credible sources for information. Remember, the journey to becoming an IAS officer is not about who can study the most, but about who can understand and apply concepts the best. So, the next time you find yourself overwhelmed with information, remember these words. Itna bhi padna nahi hota. Stay focused, stay discerning, and stay on the path to success.